is a well-known automobile manufacturer in China, designed and customized a batch of mold handling cranes, applied to the stamping workshop of this enterprise. This batch of cranes is equipped with automatic positioning, ducts management, area protection, safety, obstacle avoidance, and other functions. With special spreader, realize automated mold workshop transfer management. The crane has a control room to move, 3 operation modes of PA remote control, safe, convenient, and efficient. Special fishing tackle can be retractable X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis, cooperate with the crane operating mechanism, can realize 6-axis bidirectional trajectory movement, equipped with running anti-swing function, combined fishing tackle high precision Z-boat control, position accuracy reaches millimeter level, electrical control, with laser collision protection, curtain area protection, advanced features such as 3D vision digital twin for image surveillance, real-time escort for the safe operation of the crane. This time, Henan Mine joint hands with the state-owned enterprise will give full play to intelligent greening, advantages of high-quality development, create a full-process automated production base to promote the digital transformation of our country's manufacturing industry. Contribution